Is this part of the show?
No.
Perfect timing.
Everybody is here in a one world. Everybody is human. Everyone is in love. No judge, no rule. Their story is America, which it must be all the time.
How are you, my daughter?
Oh, Mom, I want to tell you something.
What happened? You look so bad.
I have been dating with someone for a long time and I'm in love with him.
What? Who is he?
Who?
Where is
What?
he from?
Where?
Where is he?
What?
1 minute. 1 minute, just 1 minute.
Baba. How are you? Fine, thank you. I'm a bit tired from stuff. But I gotta tell you something. Well, I've been seeing this girl for a while now, and you know we're starting to get serious. She is nice. She's very pretty. She's good looking. Yeah. That's why I am going out with her. I know, like you guys, you care about this stuff. So, but I just want to say that she's not the same religion as us. What? Like she's not the same religion, but she's a nice girl and all that. Is that a problem? That is a problem, right? But it's okay. It's okay. But we love each other. We love each other. No, I don't care. Get married.
Open this telephone. I'm calling you.
Yes. No? I've got the ring here. It's fine. Yeah. It's my bride. Is that fine? Okay. This finger?
Yes.
Okay, I do. Yes. We're married. Married. Okay, we should go tell our parents now. You know, you don't want to tell them. Come on, we should. We really should.
No.
We have to. They've brought me up this whole life. We have to go tell them. Mom, Dad, this is my wife.
What?
My wife. This is the girl from different religion I was telling you about. We got married. Here's her ring, and here's the flower, and here's the crown. Huh? What do you think about that? Are you gonna let us stay in this place in our house? Can we live together? Huh? No? Baba, thank you.
Father.
Hello, how are you?
That's all.
Yeah, I think that's. Woohoo!
Dili, we jangan.